What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Giftedhands back to you with another haircut transformation. Got my boy Darren right here. He reached out to me on Instagram through the ad and basically he wants a change. He wants to switch it up a little bit. He's been rocking kind of like the undercut look for how long?
For about 3-4 months now.
Okay.
Looking to switch it up.
All right, so
I'm here.
He said that he wanted to go to waves. And so how long have you been growing the top for?
The top has been like 5 months.
5 months?
Probably half a year, close to half a year.
Okay. And for me, that was like the requirements, 3+ months without a haircut. Even though he has an undercut and he wants to go to waves, I still think that this will be a dope transformation. It'll be a new look. And he's a little bit nervous. But he's seen my, my work, my videos, and kind of just letting them know, the clients that come in for this haircut, that you're in good hands, bro. I feel like I got confidence, man. I got confidence. I can definitely give you the haircut that you want. I mean, but the hair becomes a part of the person. Mm-hmm. You walk by a mirror, he's gonna see a different person, a different haircut style. So I get it, man. I get it. But why do you want to cut your hair off?
Honestly, just a fresh start. Like, I feel like maybe my last barber, like, cut it wrong. It was growing uneven in certain places. Okay. So I feel like just a fresh start with you. Yeah. But like, you get me right. It's gonna change my mojo and everything.
Oh, nice. Dope, man. What we're gonna do, man, is I'm gonna start off with a number 3, going with the grain. Pretty much, I'm going off of kind of like what this is right here on the sides. We're gonna basically just chop down the top. We're gonna hit him with the do-rag. We're gonna hit him with the mousse. And we're gonna try to lay his hair down. That way when he leaves this shop, he's got somewhat of a hair pattern, somewhat of a wave pattern, because underneath all these curls right here, curls is waves. You lay this down, it's gonna be a wave. So knowing, what we can get with certain products and certain types of steps to get that hairstyle. So we're gonna do like a light shadow taper on the sides. What about the back? You wanna do like a ball taper in the back?
Oh yeah, ball in the back, taper right in the back. On the side. Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'm excited.
About to transform this bird, man. I'm excited.
Let's get it, man. Let's get it.
Like whenever I have kids.
I feel like, I understand that every man wants his legacy to live on and wants to have a boy, because trust me, I tried, dog. I tried twice to have a boy, but God blessed me with 2 beautiful girls, and bro, it calmed me down. It made me see life differently. Oh, man, I was a dog, man. So having 2 girls definitely made me respect women more. Look at Kobe. You know what I mean? Rest in peace, man. Him and Gigi. That was such a sad story, but like I feel like he made a girl dad be a cool thing and be a dope thing, because I feel like Gigi was gonna be the one, bro. I feel like Gigi was gonna be that dog.
Yeah, like she was gonna be better than what Caitlin Carter.
I feel like she was gonna be the one, bro. Yeah. Knock off some of the bulk first, and then we can do a guard. But I just want to knock off some here.
I can't stop looking at the kicks, bro. Those kicks.
Oh man, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So let's get it. I'm just gonna go straight to the middle, so there's no going back.
No. Yep. Feel my power going away. This is different. It's been a while.
You definitely have a lot of hair, bro.
I know I got a big head, but everybody about to know now. I definitely feel like the front of my hair wasn't growing like as much as, I don't know. There's something with the front of my hair.
And you know what? The shape of your head also has a lot to do with, not yours, but I'm saying the shape of some people's heads. Yeah. Because you gotta understand, it goes down.
Right.
So, and when it's not cut right, if you went to someone that doesn't really know how to make a shape with your hair, like the kind of like the video that I did, I literally created a whole haircut from scratch for him. So if you don't know gravity, you don't know the shape of the head, goes from round to top peak. You want to make sure you can cut this shorter because it's going to be longer up here. But when you start going downwards in your head, you got to make sure it leaves longer. So then it gives it the illusion that everything's even. It goes from long, short, just long.
Yeah, I never heard anybody talk about that. That's how I know you real, bro.
Once we do the cut it down, once we get the shampoo, I think your curls are going to give you a wave pattern, bro, for sure. That lamello.
something like that.
Yeah. So you know, you can tell it's pretty long up top, but going off of the size that he had, that's what we're going for.
Maybe
it looks like everything lays down forward, so we should be good.
Awesome.
If I saw a swirl that went backwards like that, then I wouldn't want to cut with the grain in that area, because then you'll literally see a patch. Yeah.
Okay, that might go to GNC after this.
Yeah, bro. Especially with the new cut, man.
Gotta show it off.
Yeah. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically prep his hair to lay down and try to get it to somewhat of a wave pattern. I already know, like, you're gonna have some type of wave pattern, bro. You got a cool hair pattern, bro. I'm gonna blow your head over. It's almost perfect, dog.
Nah, bro. Yeah, bullshit.
I'm serious, bro. I'm serious.
Butter me up.
Nah, I'm serious, bro. You got a good hair pattern. Everything that's supposed to go forward, everything that's supposed to go down and back. There's no swirl.
Yeah, besides my roommate, I was really dealing with barbers that didn't know what they was talking about. That's crazy.
You gotta be educated, bro.
Education, man.
All right, so I know that the line goes up top because you don't want that crease.
You know so.
So, hair's laid down. Now we got this compressed down. We're gonna go ahead and add some heat to it, bro. Pattern, wave,
I feel it
ripples, something.
I feel some movement up there.
It's forming.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you're gonna see how this looking. Alright, we're pretty much done with the cut. He did see a little bit through the mirror. He's feeling himself, man. I mean, the transformation is crazy. I just feel like this is the look right here, man. Stayed with the number 3 with the grain.
That's nice.
Back.
Damn, that's clean.
And look, I mean, like, there's some ripples, bro. Like, I feel like that pattern, once he go home, do rag up, brush.
You wasn't lying, man. They form him. They starting to form a little bit.
I think that keeping the number 3 with the grain was definitely the right choice. here.
For sure.
And he said something during the cut, man, that kind of made my head go bow. But what'd you say, dog? What'd you say?
Yeah, it's the best haircut of my life. The best haircut of my life.
I like that. I like that. Appreciate you trusting me, man. I'm glad that the ad did find you, and I was able to reach out back to you and give it a cut, man. I think this is a dope transformation.
It's well worth the drive. And thanks for the opportunity, man. This is amazing.
It's fire. And at first, look, hey, he didn't want to keep the connection. Comment below if the connection is fire or if he should get rid of it and do the mustache and goatee. I think it goes with the cut. I think it looks fly. He may go home and cut it off, but I think with this cut, I think this is it.
I'm waiting for the comments.
But hey, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. And as always, Team Gifted, stay gifted. Let's go.